5 different lenders with 5, fairly diverse platforms, lending in various parts up and down the total capital curve. I honestly feel like you literally are just like, you're on safari, call it garden leave, whatever you want. You're just literally like, you're like a lion just laying in wait, with this massive TPG infrastructure, just kind of watching all this stuff go on. And, as you approach, January 1st, with the backing of obviously one of the better, larger private equity firms in the world, I do feel like you are, a lioness in wait. And what excites you about these, what opportunities you're watching this, having been involved, in the industry for quite a long time, where are you kind of seeing there may be some opportunity in all this?
Well, I will say at this point of the credit cycle, I do like being in the senior secured position. I do feel that some equity markets are getting a little overheated, and I like being in the debt position. And having played in every structure of commercial real estate lending and every type up and down the stack, I do feel right now, because of the disruption in the CMBS market and the troubles hedging, the duration of the assets, I do think that the floating rate interim market is very attractive. It's distressing that the commercial banks have come in so strong. I think they increased their origination volume in the third quarter close to 100% from 2014. So that certainly will put competitive pressure. But I think there are places like where Blackstone plays that are very interesting and will continue to provide great opportunities. I also think that for a general investor, not thinking of anyone in particular, that it would be attractive to buy CMBS given the distress that's going on. And I think there'll be some opportunities there for the investors who can access AAAs down to BBBs. And also the first loss positions over time, we know that the risk retention rules come in December of next year. I think that'll make the yields more attractive on the B pieces. I think there's numerous opportunities in the debt space, and I think it's a really exciting time to be a lender.
And Mark, you've